But in process everyone, I will do my science activity. First, light and its properties. How does light travel? The materials of this activity are cardboard, flashlight, scissors, roller. I will use another cardboard as in this card. These are the steps of this activity. First, cut 3 squares of cardboard measuring 15 centimeter on each side. Second, make a small circular hole at the center of each of the squares. 3. Let the squares stand about 12 centimeters apart. Use the modeling clay as support. Make sure that the holes of the squares are aligned. 4. Position this card at the end of the line to serve as screen. 5. Place the flashlight directly toward the holes. Use books to elevate the flashlight. 6. Darken the room, then switch on the flashlight. 7. Observe the light as it passes through the cardboards. 8. Draw what you see. So I will do the second step. Here. Next step. Bye. I will do my second activity. Keep on watching. The second activity is sound and its properties. How is sound produced? The materials are big empty milk can with plastic lid, uncooked rice, grains, and metal spoon. So I will do these steps. 1. Get an empty milk can with a plastic lid. This will serve as your drum. 2. Please place a few uncooked rice beans on the milk can. Third, strike the top of the can with a metal spoon. Fourth, observe what happens to the rice grain. Bye. Now, I will proceed with the third activity. The title is Heat and its Properties. How does heat affect the air? The materials are balloon, empty bottle, two basins, cold water, and hot water. These are the steps I will do. First, stretch a balloon over the mouth of an empty bottle. Second, place the empty bottle in a basin of cold water for a minute. Third, have your teacher pour hot water into the other basin. Fourth, please place the empty bottle in the basin of hot water. Let the bottle stand for a few minutes and observe what will happen. Since I don't have a balloon, just keep watching the video. Bye.
Hello, I'm Jared, back with more experiments on the idea that warm air rises, heat rises. So why? You could see that heat rises with different experiments that we've already shown you. Why is that happening? So to show you that, I have a bottle with a balloon on top, and what's inside the bottle? Air is inside that bottle. Well, we can do something to that air. We can heat it or cool it to show you what's happening. And just so you can see what's happening, I put the balloon on top to capture that air. So I have a hot plate. I'm heating up a pot of hot water, not sticking my hand in it, it's pretty hot. A plastic bottle. When I stick the bottle in the hot water, it's going to heat the air inside that bottle. And you can see almost instantly that this air is actually rising. Well, why is it rising? It's because the molecules of air are heated up and they're actually spreading out. They're spreading out, becoming less dense, becoming lighter. And you can see all the air in this bottle is expanding, spreading out, taking the space up in this balloon. Wow, it's not going to blow up till it pops, but it is expanding. And as that air is heated, it expands and it becomes lighter than everything else around it. So it's taking up more space. Those molecules are moving around quicker, bumping into each other. They need more space. They're expanding. Well, now I have a bucket of ice water. I'm going to slow those molecules down. Drop it in. Almost right away, that air is collapsing, condensing down. You can see there's no air in the balloon because that air sinks. It drops. It's less dense. And all those air molecules are slowing down, coming tighter together. They don't need as much room. Wow, it's almost sucking the balloon into the bottle. Warm air rises, cold air sinks. Neat concept. Thanks for watching.